Welcome back in our channel. I'm Shy Rocket. I'm Angry. Here, this is my birthday. Today's Melo's birthday, and we're gonna join you. Papost po namin sa
Uy, mag-like na kayo sa YouTube channel nila. We already subscribed.
Yep, thanks. So today we're going to the animal zoo. We're going to the animal zoo. You can see.
Yep, we're going to the zoo. Sa'yo kanina, nung pauwi na. Sa Quezon City ka magkakawa. Parang sinapa na nagpapakasya sa akin pag pauwi na.
We're going to the park. And this is Mavis.
Pinabilang ko na lang ng rice at saka spaghetti.
I'm gonna be back, guys. And so you can see that we're moving. We're moving. If we cannot see. Melo is right there, the birthday boy. Look at me crazy.
Sama niyo si Baby sa ano niyo. Sa
So, Mavis.
Ay kasi YouTube channel nila.
This is Mavis. It's Melo today is 10 years old.
Yep, I'm 10 now.
And
Miss Ben, hindi ka nga'y driver.
and today
Sabi ko,
we're going to the animal zoo, and you can see. I'm gonna show to you guys.
Sabi ko patay si Alvin.
Very, very nice. Sorry for the talking behind voices. They're just talking because they didn't see a long time because they're in another house. They're in a very long house away. So you can see. So, really so colorful house right there. Wow, colors! So, I don't know if you can see it right there.
Kaya na siya, hindi katulad ng dati na
Today I'm gonna vlog because Melo wants just to see everything. And see, you can see that.
Mag-spin tayo, matapos natin mag-spin, magle-left and right na tayo, na tayo. Sila yung dito, sila mag-spin na mag-diretso.
I'm gonna show you to Melo.
Sabi na niya, ba't kaya ganun sila?
Melo has a very good hair.
Pinakakit na niya, Madi. Sa ni Rod. Sabay kaliwa. Kaliwa. Kasi ano yung one.
Everyday life, go to school. We can spin.
Close na.
We're in the car. Melo. He's excited to see the animals in the zoo.
Kaya kailangan talaga,
We're going to the
sariling
We're gonna see elephants, so we're gonna be back in an hour. Bye-bye.